Hey, you here probably if you like learning languages, and this is my day number 7 when I speak English every single day in the camera. Because I learn English, and as you can know, speaking is really one of the important, not one, really the most important part of acquiring any language. So this really gonna help me to improve speaking skills. I'm Russian native speaker, by the way. So what I'm gonna do today is just I found a video on YouTube about IELTS speaking test, and I will answer the questions in these IELTS questions just the way I will be in the exam.
Talk about music.
All right, let's do it.
How often do you listen to music?
I listen to music basically every single day, no doubts, especially when I'm getting to university, like in the public transports, this kind of in a bus or in a subway.
Is music an important subject in schools in your country?
Yeah, music, this is a necessary subject in every single school in my country. We have official scores. We got official scores after graduate. Obviously, in my country, in Russia, we sing only Russian traditional folk, songs. And when I was a schoolboy, I even was a singer in our class crew, music crew.
Do you ever go to live concerts?
No, I've never been to real live concerts in my life. No matter that I'm really big fan of music, but mostly I prefer listen like foreign music, not Russian. Because of this, there is a really small chance to see performance of my favorite singers in Russia. But in the future, when I will travel around the world and visit USA, I will go to the concerts and my favorite singers.
Do you prefer to read magazines or newspapers?
Definitely.
Prefer read magazines or newspaper. I don't read even weather magazines or newspaper. I don't read anything, but if I would have this choice, I would choose a magazine. Magazines has a more attractive design. It's more pleasant to read. You can see a different big pictures, really brightly colors. About magazines, you can choose any topic, I guess. So would it about fashion, travel, cities, technologies, everything. And it's more independent. About newspaper, I guess that government or countries control newspapers. This is not so varied information. Mostly it's really boring to read. I guess so.
Do you think you can learn as much from a magazine as a book?
I stick to the idea that it depends about what kind of information would you like to learn. For example, if you want to know about fresh world's news in some area, fashion, sport, traveling, definitely you should buy a magazine and read this. Yeah, but if you wanna get more, maybe deeply knowledge, more philosophical, or read any success story, you should read a book. Because these books, they already came through the ages and different generations, read this and continue reading. It mostly depends on what you wanna get.
Now let's talk about outdoor activities. Do you like being outdoors?
Apparently, I like being outdoors. My favorite occupation can I do outdoors is just walking around the city and observing, enjoying the weather. If it's good weather, yeah. I can do it with my friends, I can do it alone, because there's not really a problem to walk alone for me. But now I don't have enough time to walk every single day. I really walk and go out rarely. And to be honest, walking in the Moscow in the winter, it's not the most pleasant way to spend your time. When it will be when it will be summer, no problem. You can walk, enjoy, and see something new in the city. Because Moscow is the huge city, and I'm been here for second year. I guess I still haven't seen 80% of, not 80, maybe 70% of the most beautiful places in Moscow.
Which outdoor sports do you enjoy doing?
I like
My favorite outdoor sports, no doubts, football. Sometimes we can just go out with my friends and in the nearby field we play with the other students. The students not necessary from MISIS, from my university. It can be students from other universities. Yeah, and we create friendly atmosphere, joins, play sports, do this, and yeah, really have a great time together. I play football since I was a kid, 8 years old, every single day, especially in the summer, when we had a school break. We with my friends, we went outdoor and play in the field. Yeah, it was the best time of spending my childhood. This kind of talking I did today. Guys, what do you think about my answers about topic? Suggest your answers in the comments. You can write it and practice your writing. Thank you, bro, who leave the comments under my every single video. Like you write, practice. I know this. Yeah, thank you. Let's do it. Let's learn languages, guys. All right.